Halo pelog, welcome back to my channel Umar Lokal. Ko bless you boni people log ke bas nyotanar ban page ya ke video ba. Banga set mi ha kan ka channel na ka por sa ka por bat pi ai kata ka jingir chan jong pi. Kum ka dak ba pi pin I ba pi kirchan bat pi kin tiu ya ki ne ki prado prasnam jong I na kan ni kari kasi jong I temen ta ha kan ka video ngin ya page. Ya ka jing koridor jong ka jing riam ten rai la ne ka jing riam khasi la ban ong ka traditional dress jong ka jaj ben riu khasi te ngi I ba bon kita ki bajla ki ba wan cha ka ne ka rikhasi jongi kham tam ha ka por ba ki wan le jongo kai kam to teng teng kisnu tenat ban phong kai ne ban shirt ban shandor mo daka traditional dress jong khasi mo sa sim ro kum kan uksana bata jong phi mo plong ya mentang ini pe kato kan ne ki briu ki bom de ki khasi bat kisnu tenat ha ban phong pat ya ka traditional dress jongi ki jaj ban riu khasi te ka ban kong yang ini pe ya kan ne ka video ha ka por ba I kong marina I phong ya ka traditional dress jongi but is not not but ya rob ha ya ka ni ka traditional dress jongi ki khasi to yang in ya sngap ya ka ni ka video kindet chapang ka jing phong jong I kong marina ya ka traditional dress jongi ki khasi.
Ready to wear it, and today I want to try khasi dressing to see how it looks on me, and also I want to try to put it by myself. First, of course, I need to learn how to put khasi dressing on me. So I will go to khasi channel, social meet, and looks like they have one video here with a lesson how to put. So I will watch it and then we'll try to repeat. One side is done, now another. At least I have idea how to put it. Hope it will be a bit easier. My husband will like this right now. I absolutely love this color. Once I saw it for the first time, I fell in love with this giant Sam. It's so comfortable. I guess now my husband needs to buy for me my own Gen Sam. Since I'm already dressed, we'll take a few pictures. Mother came to help me see how professional does this. By myself, I would do the same maybe 10-20 minutes, but she just came and she clipped it for 15 seconds. That was amazing experience with the khasi dressing. I really love it, and now I'm really looking forward to have big occasion to dress and go out.
Hoi pelog sibon ba kita ki barjla ki bas nyotanat bha bat ki bayaro ya ka traditional dress jongi ki khasi bat ngi dai ban sno sarong halor kata ma pelog bat wat le ran ban phong ya ki ni ki jain khasi jongi haba philai cha bar jong ka state jongi bat ngi dai ban sno sarong ro ya la ki jong ki riti dustur bat ya la ki jain tenrai jongi ki khasi ma pelog te ya mentang nya pe ya ka jing riam bat ka jing phong jong I pado ya ka ne ka traditional dress jong I ki khasi.
What a warrior is there! My goodness! I hope they have also size for me. Here is also a khasi dress. Huh? That's what we're gonna try it out. I look like a white khasi. How this is called?
Hả?
This is what?
Anh cái này
Chain pole. Like a chain pole.
Giant pole.
Chain pole. Chain pole. Right. Chain pole. Alright. Whoa, nee. What is this one?
Kinjeri.
Kinjeri. What is the meaning of kinjeri?
Kumna tapi kinjeri tapa.
Kinjeri tapa.
Tapa.
Oh. Kinjeri tapa. Oh, okay, another pila. Oh, I need a sword, of course. I'm going to the war. Oh, arrows. This is arrows. Like, I come from Finland.
Finland,
Yes.
How do you feel that you are over India?
I have been living here already 2 years.
2 years?
Yeah.
Oh yes, from where?
Yeah, I'm married. I'm married also khasi.
Married on the Kashi.
Married khasi. Yeah, married Indian.
Okay.
Yeah. Now I gonna go to the war.
Oh yes.
Yes.
Yes, you are like you are like Indian, very nice.
Yeah, yes, of
Okay.
course. Okay, God bless
Okay,
you.
bye.
Oh, yeah. Where is the British? Where is the British here? Huh? My goodness, look at this one. So guys, this is a traditional khasi dress. Now we are here in the, is this Varnar Lake or Var Lake or whatever lake it was. Oh, hello. Oh, Shayo. All right, so now we have done. First time trying a khasi dress like that.
Kumno sa mikhlea biang nam biang.
Biang,
Biang pha.
bang pa, biang pa. Ah,
Kumno minta si pili.
oh, kumnya. Good, biang.
Okay.
Biang.
Te perlok pisnyo tenan ne em banyo iya kini ki briuna barjela ki borombat kisnyo tenan bahaya jing riam khasi jongi mo. Te saya komen section bat saya pelok saya komen mo pelok yano ba PE ba kani karim khasi jongi kaya habat i kong marinane kaya habat i pado arki ne saya komen section bat buat kalian subscribe ya kani channel bat like ya kani video tangam taplok ni sempat hakobe ke video. Kulis bon.